Good morning, everyone, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find a Tesla certified electrician to help you install a Tesla charger in your home if you're driving any type of Tesla vehicle, such as the Tesla Model 3, the Model Y, the Model X, or the Model S. Let's begin this tutorial. The first step that you'll need to complete is to open your web browser. You can use any one that you want. You can use Google Chrome, Safari web browser, or any other one. So I'm going to launch the Google Chrome web browser. After the Google Chrome web browser is open, I'm going to use the search function of Google and I'm going to type in Tesla, find an electrician. And then after that, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to look for the link that will take me directly to Tesla's website that will show us a list of all the Tesla certified electricians. So as you can see, the link that says find an electrician is going to take us directly to the Tesla site. So let's go ahead and click on this link. Awesome. So now we're at the Tesla Find an Electrician homepage that shows all the certified technicians that are allowed to install Tesla chargers for Tesla. And so now please go through this list to find the Tesla technicians that's most closest to you. If you have found this tutorial to be helpful, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.